Hey YouTube, it's OSU Harding 1, and today I have a review on a Cobi police car set. So let's get started. Again, Cobi patrol car. It's a part of the Action Town theme. Set number 1523 has 115 pieces, one minifig. See some of his accessories there. And just to show you, made in the European Union, right here, made in Poland. So look at the car there. Okay, real quick, here's the decal sheet. Again, I think this is a pretty standard decal sheet. Comes with lots of different stuff. You can, however you want to use it. Real quick look at the instruction book just to give you an idea of what some of how these instructions look. Really easy to follow. Okay, there's the minifig. Zoom in here. Take his hat off. Comes with a little 9mm handgun there. Take that off and you can see the printing on his chest here a little better. Nothing on the back. The car itself. Alright, the door's open. In the front. Door opens on that side as well. From the back, top. It's got the good rubber wheels here. These are the same rubber wheels that are on the Cobi Jeeps. And I really like these are like your loud sirens up top. It's got the nice red and blue lights. The top pops off here really easily. Well, didn't get a hold of it right. But if you want to put the minifig in there, that top pops off right there. He goes right down in there, no problem. And put the top back on. But anyway, this is a really neat set. I've done several of these Cobis. In fact, I've got another one that I'm going to do, another review just as soon as I finish this review. But I'm really pleased with these guys. I found this thing on clearance at our local hobby shop, and these things are fantastic. Paid $11 for this. And I'm going to do a Lego police car just as a comparison coming up here in the next few days, so keep looking out for that. So Cobi police car set, $11. It's a little different than anything you'd see from Lego, but the quality of the bricks are really good, the minifig's good, price is good. So okay guys, that's my review on the police car. Let me know what you think, and keep checking back for more reviews. Thanks for watching.